Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Wolf CMS on OpenSUSE Leap 42.3. Wolf CMS is a free and open source PHP-based CMS that offers simple and elegant user interface, which was written in PHP language and requires Apache, MariaDB and PHP. While installing MariaDB, create a database for your Wolf CMS. User protected via password and version of PHP should be 7. Now switch to your terminal and download the package using wget command. After downloading it, extract it in Apache root directory. Now move to that location. Now you will be able to see your Wolf CMS directory. Next, provide appropriate owner permission and file execution permission. After providing your permission, configure your virtual host for your Wolf CMS. Type wolfcms.conf. Now enter your configuration inside this. After entering your configuration, save the changes and restart your Apache service. Now switch to your browser and enter your machine's IP address or fully qualified domain name, followed by your old CMS directory. And this is your requirement check page. Now click continue to install. Provide your database credentials. My database user is root, followed by it. Provide your database user password and name of your database. And check your administrator username. You can provide it as per your wish. And now click install. Log in with your admin ID and this is your password. Copy this password and paste it on your login page. After logging in, do the post install action. Run the security check and delete the installation folder, and also remove the write permission for your config PHP file, and remove the docs folder and readme text to and remove the docs folder and readme text to enhance your security. Do these post actions after logging in. Now click here for logging in. And enter your password here. You will be logged inside your window, and this comprises of your page, snippets, layouts and files. You can import your files inside your website. Now move to your terminal. Now move to your terminal and remove the installation folder. Remove the installation folder, your docs folder, readme text. And for your installation folder, move inside your Wolf directory. Remove this. And now use your Wolf CMS. And thus we have seen how to install Wolf CMS on OpenSUSE Leap 42.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Linux Help. For further tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.